Oh no, what happened? So this is the expression or the feeling you'll have when you find or discover items missing in the gift box, right? So many of other things may be lingering about your head, but you don't know what to do. But I'll tell you today as what we can do when we find items missing in the gift box. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you for all your love and support. As you see in the picture, we have ordered some items on Zepto and we got a gift box. As you see in the picture, the gift box seal is unopened and we have experienced at times where we find items missing in the gift box and have got many comments as such being shown in the video, and you may be disappointed with Zepto's nasty experience and not knowing what to do. Now I'll tell you as what we can do when you face this kind of experience. Go to Zepto app, click on the profile icon as shown in the picture, go to orders. Once you go there, you got to select the order on which you face this nasty experience of missing items in the gift box. Once you go there, you will see rate order again. So you have to select the option as rate order. Once you click on rate order, this kind of screen appears before you and you have this option of rate delivery experience. Click on rate delivery experience. Once you click there, you can give here 1 or 2 star rating as you wish. And after that, you go to select missing or incorrect items. Once you select there, you have to come down and write your feedback here. You can pour out your anguish and suggest your delivery experience or mixing items in the gift box. Here I am writing down as my free gift box items are missing, followed by some saddened emojis as you see in the picture, and you can write really disappointed with Zepto's delivery, and you may request for a sneak peek of next free gift items in the box. And you can write down or pour out your anguish if anything else you have got to write to Zepto, because this is the opportunity we have got to leave a feedback or suggestion here, because a feedback really matters to Zepto, right? So after you finish writing your feedback, you can click on submit as shown in the video. That's it, done. You got to do. Rest assured, hoping for the best. That's it all for today. I'll take off. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. If you find this video helpful, do share to your friends and family